Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to insert tags into your WordPress blog posts. If you're a blogger or content creator looking to boost your website's SEO and make your articles easier to find, this is a must watch. I'll keep it super simple, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the WordPress website. Click on Login at the top right corner. If you're already logged in, great. Just head straight to your dashboard. But if not, WordPress now gives you quick options to sign in without entering your email and password every time. For the fastest login, click Continue with Google. Then choose your Google account linked to your website. This is secure and saves time, especially if you manage multiple blogs or switch devices often. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Posts and then All Posts. Here you'll see a list of every blog post you've published, scheduled, or saved as a draft. Now choose the blog post where you want to add tags. Hover over the post title and click Edit. This will open the post inside the WordPress block editor. Don't worry, adding tags here is very simple even if you're a beginner. Look over to the right-hand sidebar. If you don't see it, just click the gear icon at the top to make the post settings appear. Under the Post tab, scroll down until you find a section labeled Tags. This is where you'll add keywords related to your article. Click inside the box and start typing your tag. For example, if your post is about healthy breakfast ideas, your tags might be nutrition, morning recipes, health tips, easy meals, or diet planning. Press enter after each tag. WordPress also remembers tags you used before, so you can reuse them to keep your site organized. Quick tip, use 5 to 10 relevant tags per post. Avoid random or misleading keywords. Only use terms that your readers might actually search for. Once you're done, WordPress automatically saves your tags, but to be sure everything is updated, click Update or Publish at the top right. And that's it. You've successfully added tags to your WordPress post. Using tags properly helps organize your content, improves your SEO ranking, and helps visitors find related topics more easily. It's a small step that makes a big impact on your blog's growth. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more easy WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover categories, SEO, or keyword research next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.